Alright guys, so I got a bunch of pieces I'm cutting out for another project for a table and some benches I'm making. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review on a new to me Harbor Freight BAUER benchtop grinder belt sander. Been looking at it for a while. Actually got to do a little bartering for this one. So yeah, let's get this sucker unboxed and build a bracket for it and test her out. Yeah guys, so any help from the directions whatsoever on which screw and bolt to put where. I put everything in a 2.5 inch receiver, even a bandsaw. I'm doing some mobile work. I don't know how much I'll bring this out, but never know. Right here, the adjustment for the left and right of this top wheel right here. That way if the belt's walking one way or the other, you can fix it. Nice little adjustment here, a little guard I'll probably never use. I'd rather just get something to my eye. But yeah, let me figure out this little bracket. We'll give it a test run. Alright guys, super simple. Couple scrap pieces of 2 inch, did perfect. Now I can take this sucker on and off. Pretty easy, no big deal. Tack some nuts in here. I'm sorry, bolts, I tacked some bolts in there. Might shake the table a little bit, but it ain't going nowhere. And now when I'm done with it, I can get it out of the way. Super nice. Probably should have not held off as long as I did for this thing, but it's worth it.